We know you can make a custom career right here in Northeast Texas. But did you know we're also making custom products? From paper to pipes, from medicine to machinery, it's all made right here. Let's talk about how custom plastic parts are made in Texas. Nigel Christopher is a president of PDI Plastics, a company here in Northeast Texas. PDI Plastics specializes in the design, prototyping, and manufacture of plastic parts. From prototypes to food containers to plastic sandboxes, PDI makes a wide range of products in small batches and with an eye for detail. Let's see how custom plastic parts are made in Texas by a process called thermoforming or vacuum forming. Like most things, it all starts with an idea. A client came to PDI with a design in mind for a custom plastic tray they need produced. Sometimes the client's ideas can be very detailed and specific. Sometimes those ideas might be as simple as a sketch on a napkin. Now it's time to make a mold. Using the 3D model, automated machine tools or routers carve a mold of the client's tray design. Thermoform molds are produced from a variety of materials, depending on the type and quality of a product you are making. For producing small quantities or a few prototypes, low-cost materials like resin or wood are ideal. For higher volumes of production, more durable molds are machined from solid aluminum. Copper tubing is attached inside these aluminum molds to allow cool water to circulate during production. With the mold complete, it's time to start production on the plastic trays. A sheet of plastic is placed in the thermoform machine. The machine heats the thermoform mold to about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, while the plastic is heated to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is just hot enough to make the plastic soft and pliable without damaging or discoloring it. When the plastic sheet hits the mold, it is soft enough to be easily shaped. A vacuum pulls the plastic against the heated mold. Almost immediately, water is pumped through the mold's copper tubing to cool the plastic and harden it to the proper shape. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to cool and harden completely. Once the sheet of trays is cool and solid, a worker roughly trims them apart and removes excess plastic. The trays will get a more specific trim using either die cutting, a computer numerical control machine, a CNC machine for short, or using a router table. A wood block on this router table is called a trim fixture. It's made by using the measurements from the original 3D computer model, and it secures the unfinished tray in the right position for the router. The router makes careful, computer-guided cuts to trim the tray and drill holes to the customer's exact specifications. When the automated cuts are complete, a worker vacuums away the excess plastic and examines the tray for flaws or sharp edges. If any are found, the worker uses a knife to cleanly finish the tray by cutting away imperfections and then cleans the part with compressed air. Now, the finished tray is ready for the client. That's how you go from an idea about plastic to something really fantastic when you make it work in Texas.